What's up, kid? Too technical. I'm back again with another video. So today in this video, we're just gonna go over the settings on your Google Pixel Fold. You know, a lot of people may not go deep into those kind of videos, but I want to. So we're just gonna click on your settings app, and this is what your settings on your Google Pixel Fold looks like. You get your search bar, so you can search whatever setting you want to search. Then you also get a photo of yourself at the top. That is all of your account information, so we're not going to click on that, but you do get networks and internet. So this is your internet, which is your Wi-Fi, your calls. It tells you about your SIMs. You get airplane mode, hotspot and tethering. You get data saver. You get your VPN, your private DNS, and adaptive connectivity. And then you also come down here. This is connected devices. So this is for Bluetooth. If you want to connect to Bluetooth, you have access to do that right here. Then you go into your apps. This just shows you all the apps you currently have installed on your phone. Your system apps and your apps that you downloaded from the Google Play Store. It says I have 99 apps on my device as of right now. Down here you get your default apps, and I'm currently using Nova Launcher as my home launcher. Then you get your assistant. If you want to set that up, you can. That is so you can set up your Google. That's so you can say, hey Google, or you can do quick phrases or conversations, or hold power for your assistant, or you can see all assistant settings. Then you also get your screen time. It'll show you, what apps are using the most of your battery. Right now mine is YouTube. Then you also get your unused apps. So if it was apps here that you never use, they'll be here. Then you also get your app battery usage. You also get special app access. So device, you see all of these things here. I don't want to go through all of them because it'll be a lengthy video, but you do get that in your special app access. Then you can come out, then you get your notification area. So you get app notifications. This is so you can come check and get notifications from the apps you want to get notifications from. And the apps you don't want to get notifications from, you just click them, uncheck them, and you will not get notification from those certain apps. Then you get your notification history. This is for use notification history. Then you get your conversations. Some of the conversations is on your device. Then you get bubbles. So this is if you're on your home screen and you get a text message, it'll pop up as a bubble instead of popping up in the notification bar, but I don't want that on at the moment. You get your privacy, device, and app notifications. Sensitive notifications. You get your notifications on your lock screen. So pretty much with this, you can show conversations in default and silent. You can hide silent conversations and notifications, or you can do not show notifications. Down here you get your flash notifications. If you want your camera to flash when you get a notification, you can do that. If you want your screen to flash when you get a notification, you can toggle that on. You get your wireless emergency alerts. If you want these on, you can cut them on. I do not want these on because they can be kind of startling, because you never know when something may happen in your city or town or worldwide, and that can be kind of startling. But this is here if you want to. You can check it, and you'll get extreme threats, service alerts, Amber alerts, public safety messages, state and local state tests. But right now I cut that off because if I really want to know what's going on, I can go look at the news. Okay, so now you get your hide silent notifications in status bar. You can do allow notification snoozing, notification dot on app icons, and then enhance notifications. And then if you go to your battery, I currently have 86% battery life. You get your battery usage. You get your adaptive charging. I like to keep that on because it'll help with your battery during time. As time goes on, it'll protect it. You get your battery widget, so you can add this to your home screen if you want this on your home screen. Then you go down to storage. So this tells you how much storage you have on your device. So I'm currently using 34 gigabytes of storage out of 256. That is not bad. You can come down here and clear out things to free up a little bit of space. I freed up 4.7 MBs of space. Then you get your audio. For your audio, I keep deleting this and it keeps coming back. I don't know why, but yes, you can clear out everything there if you want to. Then you go down to your sounds and vibrations. So pretty much you get media volume, call volume, ring volume, alarm volume. You get your do not disturb there. You get your phone ringtones. If you're into setting ringtones on your phone, you can do that. I no longer do that. You get your live caption, that's for speaking or whatever. You get your spatial audio, and I currently have that on. It can work on your phone speaker or with wired headphones. You get your now playing. So this is cool that Google has this. Google has this thing to where you can identify songs playing nearby on your home screen. So say you're out and about and you hear something but you don't know what it is. If you have this checked, Google will find that song for you and you'll see the name on your lock screen, and that is very cool. Then you get your notifications, some more notifications. You can show search button on your lock screen, and then this is your now playing history. So this will show you what's playing now. Then you get your display. So you get your brightness level. Mine is currently at 70%. You can get your adaptive display. So pretty much it'll adapt to whatever kind of situation you're in. You get your lock screen information, your privacy, you can add a text on your lock screen. You can use device controls. You have your shortcuts. And that is when you download Android 14 beta, you get access to having shortcuts on your lock screen. You can you get a double line clock, you get your now plan, and you get your always show time and info. That's like they're always on display, but that's what they're calling it. You get your tap to check phone, you get your lift to check phone, wake screen for notifications. Then you get your screen timeout. The dark theme, you can change it from light to dark, but I want to work with that light. With the dark, I like dark. I do not use light mode on any of my devices now. You can do your screensaver. You get your display size and text. So if you want your text to be big, you can come here and change the size of your icons, of your text messages, and of your fonts. So that's your font size. This is your display size. You can do bold text and you can do high contrast text. And then you have your restart settings right there. Then coming down here, you get your wallpapers and styles. So pretty much this is how you can customize your Google Pixel Fold. You get your lock screen, your home screen. You get your colors, as you can see there. And you get a choice down here for your wallpapers. Like I said, those your shortcuts. You can change what you want on your shortcut on your lock screen. You get show notifications on lock screen, and then here you get more lock screen features, which we already went over that. So now you go to accessibilities. So you get your talk back, you get your display, text size and text again, color and motion, extra dim, magnify glass, select to speak, accessibility menu, voice access, vibration and haptics, switch access, timing control, system controls, get your live captions, get your live transcripts, caption preference, real-time text, audio description, sound amplifier, so this can amplify your sound. I have that off right now. I'll test it out later. You get your flash notifications, audio adjustments, accessibility shortcuts, text to speech output. Then over here in security, this is your security logs. It just lets you know everything looks good. Everything looks good on my phone as of right now. You get your app security, device unlock, account security, device finders, system and updates, and privacy. You get more if you click into more down here. Then you go into your location. So this is so if you want Google to know where you at at all times and be dipping and dapping and being nosy, you can have that on if you want to, but I use it for now. You have your locations. Okay, so this is where it gets pretty cool. You get your safety and emergency. So in here, you can do your medication, you can do your medical. You can come here and put in your medical information, and that is really cool. So you can come here, you can put in your blood type. I know I am O negative or something like that. So you can come in here and boom, you can hit that. What kind of allergies, you can put what you're allergic to. What am I allergic to? I'm allergic to cedar trees, so I can put cedar. And cats. Dust. And fescue grass. Then you can hit OK and you can save that. That is really, really cool. And then in here, you can come in here and put the kind of medications that you take. I'm going to fill that out, but I'm going to do that after this video is over. You can put your address in here. I'll probably do that. I'm going to do that later. And then you have more. You can do your medical notes if you have any medical notes, or you can check this if you are an organ donor or not. That's just cool to have, you know. You don't have to fill that out, but if you want to, you can. And then you get your emergency contacts. So right now I have my mom and my dad as my emergency contacts. You get your emergency SOS. You can cut that on if you want that. You get your, now this is really cool, you get car crash detection. So pretty much if you're in a car crash, this will detect that you've been in a car crash, and it'll send a notification to 911, or it'll call 911 because you may not be able to answer or pick up your phone. So it says, when a crash is detected, Pixel vibrate sound on alarm at maximum volume and ask if you need help. It says if you confirm you need help or don't respond, Pixel will start the action you select below. You can try a demo. So pretty much this is saying, if you get into a car crash, you get beat up real bad, and you cannot hit yes, you were in a car crash, then it will automatically do it for you if it does not get a response, because that means something has happened to you and you need help. So that is good, because you could be unconscious, you know, or you just can't get to your phone. You can be pinned down or something. So that is good. Great feature to have. So pretty much it says actions if you need help after a crash. Call emergency services or emergency sharing. So I have that connected. So I recommend you, if you have a Google Pixel device, to cut that on if you have access to that. That is very important to me. Then you get your crisis alerts when crises are going on. I don't want to cut that on though. You get your emergency location services. You can have alerts for your earthquake alerts. But like I said, if something's going on, I can just look on the news. I don't need my phone to go off and let me know. You can silence notifications while driving. That's something you should have on, because you shouldn't text and drive anyway. It can wait. And then you have wireless emergency alerts like we just went over. So next you get your password and accounts. Next you get digital well-being and parental control. So if you want to set something separate for your kids to watch them, you can do that. It says I have 8 unlocks and I've had 133 notifications today. You get your dashboard right here. You get your bedtime mode. If you into all of that stuff, you can set that. I don't want to do that, so I'm not going to set that. You can get your focus mode to help you focus on your phone, doing more things instead of just being on your phone. Manage notifications, do not disturb, flip to a heads up, and you get a show icon in the app list. And then there's your parental controls. Then you get your Google information here, so you can have it detect if you have been exposed to COVID if you want to. You get your ads, your auto file, your backup device and sharing. Find my device, you always want that on just in case you lose your phone. Game dashboard, mobile data and messaging, parental controls, personal safety, personalized using shared data, set up and restore. Get your settings for Google Apps, and you get your, and then you get developer down here. Then if you go into system, this just gives you your system information. So pretty much here you get your languages, keyboards, live translate. And I leave live translate on because I work at a school with a lot of Hispanics. So I want to have that on if I want to speak their language or needs to translate something with them. So I always try to leave that on. You get your navigation mode, get your gestures, you get your date and time, you get your backups, system updates, rules, multi-users, so you can set up 2 different people on this device. Get your developer options, and you get your reset options. So you can come in here, you can reset mobile network settings, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, reset app preferences, erase eSIMs, and erase off data, so that which is factory data reset. Then you get your about, so this just tells you about your device. Then you get your tip support, and pretty much that was it. So if you found this video helpful, leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.